In this video, I will show you how we can automate a browse pop-up that we can encounter during the automation of a web application. For this demo, I will take the use case of the Rpa Challenge website where we need to download an Excel file and where a browse pop-up is displayed to save the file. For this demo, I will use this project which contains the Rpa Challenge website captured. I captured the main application, I captured the home screen, and I declared the download button, which is here. On the application, the Download Excel button opens a browse pop-up where we can choose the destination folder of the Excel file. We will see how we can capture this pop-up and how we can declare elements so that the bot will be able to automate this port. This pop-up is not part of the web application. It's part of the Chrome application. We can see it with this icon, with the Chrome icon on the top left of the pop-up. It means that we will need to capture Google Chrome in order to automate this pop-up. However, this pop-up is not a normal screen. Indeed, we need to capture it as a subscreen of the page. As we can see, it's a pop-up, and this pop-up is belong to the page here, to the Chrome page. We need to first capture the Chrome page and then add a subpage to this page which represents this pop-up. To do this, I go back to the Cloud Studio and I will declare a new application. To do this, I click on the plus icon, then Create and Application. Once my screens on my computer are well detected, I can click on the Filter button, then tick the UI Automation option and untick the Hide Advanced. Untick the Hide Advanced is mandatory as Google Chrome is not displayed if this option is enabled. Once done, I can click on the Filter button. Once my screens are well detected, I can click on the Rpa Challenge from Google Chrome. When I click on it, I can see the preview of the application on the middle of my screen. We can see that this application is Google Chrome because we can see the controls of the application, such as the URL bar or the bookmarks. On the right, I can change the information of my application. For example, as an application name, I can rename it to Chrome. As a screen name, I can choose Rpa Challenge. Once my informations are well changed, I can click on the Capture button. Once my application is captured, a new tab is opened inside the Cloud Studio. And I can see my application on the middle of the screen, and I can declare some elements by clicking on the preview. On the Rpa Challenge website, when we click on the Download Excel button, a new tab is opening, named here Sans Titre. In order to be able to manipulate this pop-up, I need to modify the criteria which is used to detect the Rpa Challenge website. Because this pop-up is part of the blank tab, I need to declare the criteria for this blank tab. To do this, I can retrieve the name of my tab, which is here sans titre, and then I will put this new value in criteria of my page. So here I can click on cancel to make the pop-up disappear, and I will go back to my Cloud Studio. In the Chrome application, we have the Rpa Challenge screen. In this screen, I will go on the right panel where we have recognition criteria. Here, I can see that the value is equal to Rpa Challenge - Google Chrome. Here, I can remove the Google Chrome in order to keep the RPA challenge value only. And then I can update the operator to contains. Then I can click on Apply button. Because the browse pop-up is opening in a new tab, I can click again on Value, and this time I will remove the value and change it to sans titre. I will change the operator and set it to contains too, and then I can click on the Apply button. This page, this Google Chrome page, will be recognized when the Rpa Challenge website is opened or when the sans titre page is open. It will help us to detect the browse pop-up when it will be opened. As I said earlier, the browse pop-up is linked to the screen of Google Chrome. It means that I can't capture the pop-up as a single screen, but I need to capture it as a subscreen of the screen I declared previously. In order to do this, I can go back to the Cloud Studio and next to my RPA Challenge screen, I can click on the three dots, then Add Subscreen. By doing this, a new pop-up is coming. I can click on the Filter button and tick the UI Automation option and untick the Hide Advanced option. Once it's done, I can click on the Filter button. Once my screens are well loaded and detected, I can choose my pop-up. In order to find the Save as pop-up, I need to expand the screen which belongs to my application. Here, the screen is named sans titre Google Chrome. So I can click on the arrow next to the title, and then I can see the pop-up in the sublist. If I click on the pop-up, I can see its preview on the middle of my screen. Once it's done, once the pop-up has been selected, I can click on the Capture button. Once the pop-up has been captured, I need to check criteria. Here, the name and deepness have been set automatically. I can keep criteria like this, it will be sufficient. To declare elements, I can use the both view and search for my elements. Here, I want to declare the Save button. So I can click on the Search button and search for Save. I hit Enter and I see three results. Here, I want to declare the button, so I can click on Button. On the Element Information panel, I can change the name of my element. I can name it Save button, for example. And in terms of criteria, I can keep criteria which have been set automatically, the deepness and the automation ID. Once everything is set correctly, I can click on the Declare Elements button. On the left, I can see the Save button elements. Now my project contains two applications. The RPA Challenge application, which is the web application which has been captured and where the download button has been declared. And a second application, the Chrome application, in order to capture the pop-up. Once everything has been captured correctly, I can test my declarations. To do this, I can click on the play button, which is in top left of my screen. I select my environment and then I can click on the test button. Once it's done, I can see my application tester on the right. I can go back to my application and open the application tester on top of the screen. Here, I need to manipulate the web application. So I will expand the RPA Challenge application, and we can see that my home screen is well detected because it's in green. I can click on Show Details button, and here I can see all my declared elements. For this tutorial, I only declared the download button. Of course, if you have several elements, you will see them here in this list. Next to the download button, I have a click button. I can click on it to simulate the click on the download Excel button. Then the pop-up appears. I can open again my application tester, which has been reduced, and here I see that the Chrome application is detected. I can click on the arrow next to the application name, and here I can see two pages, the RPA Challenge page and the RPA Challenge _1 page. The first page is the main page of Chrome, and the second page is my pop-up. I can click on Show Details, and here I can see the Save button. I can click on the Click button in order to simulate a click on the Save button. Once done, I can see that my file is well downloaded and the pop-up has disappeared.
In this video, we saw how we can deal with pop-ups with web applications. You can now automate your web application which are using this kind of pop-ups. If you need more information, you can check the How to Declare Subscreen samples, which is available in the official store of SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation.